Hi guys, and welcome back. So I wanted to show you guys how I create my thick, fluffy, low ponytail. I'm starting on a 4-day-old wash and go, and I like to fluff my hair with my fingers, and this just helps add more volume. Next, I like to take my double prong pick, and this doubles the volume that I already have. To help with smoothing my hair, I like to spray water throughout, and this also adds moisture back into the hair. Next, I like to add additional moisture, and one of my favorite moisturizers is the Avocado Hair Milk by Mielle Organics. Going in with the Long and Luxe Grow Edges by As I Am, I'm going to apply the pomade to my edges and brush it until smooth. So for this look, you want to take an elastic band to secure the hair. And depending on how thick your hair is, will determine how tight you will need to secure it. My hair is pretty thick, so as you can see, I have the elastic band wrapped around my arm twice. And I only wrap the elastic band around my hair once, which allows for my hair to be thick and fluffy, yet still secure. And to finish the look, I'm just going to slick my baby hairs. And you can fluff the ponytail as big as you like. And this is the finished look. I've been wearing my hair like this a lot since it's hot in Texas, and I love how it's away from my face. I hope you all have enjoyed this simple, sleek, low ponytail. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.